A warm greetings to one and all to the Media Club of Marellian Public School. Today's news headlines is presented by Shiga of Class 7. The celebration of the 78th Independence Day of our great nation was observed in our school with colorful events paying tribute to the nation's freedom fighters and reminding the country's rich history. Marellian Arts Fest Inspira 2024, observed from 21st of August to 24th of the month, was indeed a great opportunity to all the talented Marellians to come out with eye-catching events. Every charitable act is a stepping stone towards heaven. Our collective effort reflected our solidarity towards those affected by the disaster in Wayanad. Every contribution, no matter how small it can be useful for the needy. Act of kindness is a reflection of our support and compassion for those facing the difficult times. On 5th of September, Teachers' Day was observed in our school with great respect and honor to all our teachers for their selfless efforts and dedication to their profession. Live cooking program was showcased by Little Chef Club students on 11th September. ONAM, the Harvest Festival and State Festival of Kerala, was celebrated on 12th of September. My greetings to all. News in detail is presented by Neha of Class 7. The 78th Independence Day of our great nation was observed with great zeal and patriotic fervor. The entire school campus was adorned with tricolor decorations symbolizing the spirit of independence.
The celebration began with the arrival of the chief guest, Reverend Father Baiju Parambal, who was warmly welcomed by the principal, staff, and students of the school. The event commenced with the hoisting of the national flag by the chief guest, accompanied by the singing of the national anthem and the flag salute, which filled everyone with a sense of pride and patriotism. Our young Marellians presented cultural programs that included patriotic songs, dances, and skits depicting the freedom struggle of India and the worthful life of our soldiers. The visual panorama depicting the life of the great national leaders was the main attraction of the day. The Independence Day celebration in our school instilled a sense of patriotism and pride in being an Indian.
On 19th August, the students and staff of our school celebrated the Farmers' Day under the Nalapadam project.
എല്ലാ ദിവസവും കഴിക്കുന്ന ഫുഡ് നമുക്ക് എവിടെ നിന്നാണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്? നമ്മൾ കടയിൽ പോയി വാങ്ങിക്കുമ്പോൾ കടയിൽ നിന്നാണോ കിട്ടുന്നത്? ആണോ? നമ്മൾ എന്നും കഴിക്കുന്ന ചോറ് നമുക്ക് എവിടെ നിന്നാണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്? നിങ്ങൾ
ഇരിക്കുന്നത് കർഷക ദിനം ആഘോഷിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ്. പക്ഷേ സാറ്റർഡേ സ്കൂൾ അവധിയായതുകൊണ്ട്
Our school honored the chief guest, Mrs. Angela, the agricultural officer of Nyarakal Krishi Bhavan, and the Karshagasri Award winner, Mrs. Sheila Salim, for their excellence in the field of agriculture. The students' dance performance during Krishidinam celebrations added cultural touch and showcased the connection between agriculture and the community. The students performed dances that reflected traditional themes to celebrate the farmers' contributions.
The Marellian Arts Fest, named Inspira 24, was an event that celebrated creativity, innovation, and the artistic talents of the students. The event was a colorful extravaganza drawing participation of students across all grades and showcasing a wide array of artistic expression.
Fest began with the ceremonial inauguration by the chief guest, Mr. Binu Trikakara, the cine artist. The competitions saw enthusiastic participation and skill of the talented Marellians as they brought their visions of life on the dais. The chief guest and the school principal presented awards and certificates to the winners. Marellian Art Fest Inspira 24 was not only remarkable celebration of creativity, but also it provided a platform for the students to express themselves and inspired them to pursue their artistic passions with great enthusiasm.
A helping hand to Wayanad. The significant contribution from the management, students, and staff of our school was part of the ongoing efforts to support the disaster relief in Wayanad. Following the devastating landslides, these contributions are aimed at helping those affected by the landslide in the district.
Our school successfully raised a fund of Rs 1,75,000 to be donated to the deserving in Wayanad. As part of the event, a special documentation video was played celebrating the work and dedication of key contributors to the cause. A silent prayer was likely conducted as a gesture of respect and reflection for those affected by the landslide in Wayanad.
Our school celebrated Teachers' Day on 5th of September with great enthusiasm and respect, honoring the invaluable contributions of the teaching faculty.
दूसरे हैं वो जो समाज को नई दिशा प्रदान करते हैं, बच्चों के भविष्य को उज्जवल बनाते हैं एवं देश के निर्माण में अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान देते हैं। जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं हमारे शिक्षकों की, हमारे गुरुजनों की।
The event, organized by the school, was a heartfelt tribute to the selfless dedication and commitment of the teachers towards shaping the future of their pupils. The celebration began with a special assembly, followed by cultural performances. The main highlight of the events was the dance performance by students, which symbolized the deep connection between teachers and students. The principal, in a moving speech, applauded the teachers for their unwavering efforts and encouraged students to always appreciate the role of educators in their lives. The teachers were presented with beautiful gifts and cards as token of appreciation, reflecting the love and admiration of their students. The day was concluded with a message of gratitude, reminding everyone of the pivotal role teachers play in society. It was a memorable occasion filled with respect, gratitude, and celebration of the noble teaching profession.
The students of the Little Chef Club took the lead in conducting the vibrant live cooking program at our school on 11th September. The event was a lively display of culinary skills featuring the talented students who had won the prelims.
These young chefs prepared a variety of dishes live, demonstrating their passion and expertise in front of an enthusiastic audience. The day was also marked by an impressive exhibition of traditional ONAM-related snacks and dishes. The exhibition, organized by the dedicated members of the Little Chef Club, showcased a range of authentic dishes that are central to the Onam festival, paying homage to the rich culinary heritage of Kerala. The event was formally inaugurated by the school administrator, Reverend Father Vipin Aldin de Cruz, in the presence of our principal, Reverend Father Joseph Anuj, and Mrs. Jaji Joy, the head coordinator. The event was a memorable one, allowing the students to display their culinary talents while celebrating the spirit of Onam, relishing delicious food.
Onam. On 12th September, the management, students, and staff of our school celebrated Onam, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Kerala. The entire school was decorated with flower carpets and traditional lamps, creating an atmosphere of joy and festivity.
One of the key highlights of the event was the Pookalam competition, where students from different classes created intricate designs out of colorful flowers. The tug of war competition among the senior students added the festive spirit when the spectators recreated the excitement with loud cheers and encouragement, simulating the pulling motions and rhythm. The day was concluded by the distribution of sweet pudding to all the students. This occasion could bring the entire school community together in a spirit of joy, harmony, and cultural pride.
തിരുമാവടിയാവൽ മന